So you're a creator, and you've probably asked yourself the biggest question of all. Which video editing software should I actually use? I know. With so many options out there, it can feel totally paralyzing. Well, in this explainer, we're going to give you a super simple framework to find your perfect match so you can stop worrying and just start creating. Okay, let's just dive right in. This question right here, it's the single most common question every single new creator asks. I bet you've typed it into a search bar a dozen times. But today, we're not just going to give you a list of apps. Nope, we're going to give you a whole new way to think so you can finally answer this question for yourself. So before we even get into specific names and brands, we need to completely reframe the question. Because here's the thing, the best app, it doesn't really exist. What we're actually looking for is the best app for you. And here's the big secret. Almost all the major editing programs are built on the exact same foundation. I mean, whether you're talking about cutting clips, sticking them together, messing with the sound, or fixing the color, those core essential functions are pretty much everywhere. They all get the basic job done. You know, a great way to think about it is like tools in a workshop. You've got different brands of hammers, right? Different saws. They all have their own shape, their own feel, but at the end of the day, they all drive nails or cut wood. The goal isn't to find the best hammer in the world, it's to find the one that feels the most comfortable and efficient in your hand. And that right there brings us to the most crucial point. This decision, it isn't really about the app at all. It's about you. The best choice depends completely on your personal goals, your workflow, and what kind of creator you are, or, the kind you want to become. So to make this really easy, we've broken it down into 3 main creator paths. We've got the team player, the specialist, and the mobile creator. As we walk through these, just think about which one sounds the most like you. All right, first up, let's talk about path number 1, the team player. Let's see if this one fits. You are probably a team player if collaboration is everything to you. Maybe you're already working with other people on projects, or you're going to be doing that down the road. And here's a big tell. If you're already comfortable in other Adobe apps like Photoshop or After Effects, well, that's a huge sign. Having everything talk to each other seamlessly is your number 1 priority. If that sounds like you, then your tool of choice is, without a doubt, Adobe Premiere Pro. Its deep integration with the whole Adobe Creative Cloud makes it the undisputed industry standard for any kind of collaborative project. But what if collaboration isn't your main thing? What if you're more of a lone wolf, just completely obsessed with the craft itself? Well, that brings us to our second profile, the specialist. The specialist is that creator who is just super passionate about the technical details. You love diving deep into color grading to get that perfect cinematic look. You're not afraid of complicated visual effects, and this is a big one, you would much rather own your software with a one-time purchase than be stuck in a monthly subscription forever. For the specialist, the clear winner here is DaVinci Resolve. It is famous for its world-class Hollywood-level color grading tools and its incredibly powerful effects. Plus, it has a super robust free version and a one-time purchase option for the full studio version. It's just an absolute powerhouse. Okay, for our third and final path, we're looking at a type of creator that has just exploded in the last few years, the mobile creator. This one's pretty straightforward, right? You live on your phone, you shoot on it, you edit on it, you post from it. Everything happens right there. You care way more about speed and convenience than anything else, and you're definitely not trying to edit some epic feature film on a laptop. Your videos are quick, punchy, and made for scrolling. If you are a mobile creator, your perfect tool is CapCut. No contest. It was designed from the ground up for a mobile-first workflow, which makes it incredibly fast and intuitive for creating amazing content completely on the go. Okay, so we've walked through 3 totally different paths for 3 different kinds of creators. Now, let's just bring it all together so you can make that final call. So here it is, the whole framework in one spot. If you're a team player and you need that collaboration, Premiere Pro is your jam. But remember, you're signing up for a subscription. If you're a specialist who obsesses over color and effects, DaVinci Resolve gives you unbelievable power for a one-time cost. And if you're a mobile creator living on your phone, CapCut is the king. Just know it isn't built for giant complex projects. See? It all comes down to matching the tool to what you actually need. At the end of the day, just remember this: the software is just a tool. The best app isn't the one with the most features or the fanciest name. It's the one that feels natural to you, speeds up your process, and just lets you bring your vision to life without getting in your way. The tool should fit the artist, not the other way around. So there you have it. We've laid out the paths. We've laid out the tools. Hopefully by now you see yourself in one of them. The only question left is, which creator are you?